Unraveling Idioms, the tale of the raven's beak. Hello, language explorers. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the colorful world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're unfolding the mystery behind the phrase, raven's beak. Whether you're a curious learner or an idiom enthusiast, buckle up for an intriguing session. The phrase, raven's beak, is not a common idiom in English and does not have a recognized meaning in idiomatic expressions. It might be used in a literal sense to describe the beak of a raven, which is strong, curved, and sharp. However, if you've encountered this phrase in literature or speech, it might have been used metaphorically or symbolically. Ravens are often associated with mystery, intelligence, and prophecy. In literature, they can symbolize both good and bad omens. So, if raven's beak is used in a metaphorical sense, it could refer to the delivery of a significant message or a foreboding sign, much like the raven itself. When you come across unfamiliar phrases like raven's beak, look at the context. Who is using it? In what situation? What message are they trying to convey? Understanding the scenario can help unravel the intended meaning behind such unique expressions. If you decide to use raven's beak or similar uncommon phrases, make sure to provide enough context so your audience can grasp the meaning. Remember, the beauty of language lies in its ability to paint vivid images and emotions, and sometimes, the less common phrases leave the most memorable impressions. And that wraps up our exploration of raven's beak. While it's not an idiom you'll find in textbooks, it's a reminder of the vast and creative landscape of language. We hope this video has inspired you to look beyond the ordinary and embrace the enigmatic charm of English. Keep learning and stay curious.